Hello, Ms. Callaghan here, Head of Art, Design and Technology. I'm just going to spend a few minutes talking to you about GCSE Design and Technology and why you should choose this as a subject. So if you're interested in problem solving, you like drawing, being creative, making things, inventive and taking risks, then D&T could be the subject for you. Why choose D&T? So our world is changing rapidly. Your generation needs to prepare for the unknown. It's very likely that you're going to be applying for jobs in the future that maybe don't exist. And with the advancements of technology, D&T is very much at the heart of that. So this GCSE offers you transferable skills, such as communication skills, problem solving, teamwork, all things that employees look for, as well as creative skills. So we'll teach you and help you generate creative ideas, as well as coming up with creative solutions. We do a lot of applied maths and science. A lot of the time students not even realising they're doing it. So when you're making something, maths is used all the time to help you make an accurate product. And applied science is looking at materials and how different materials have different properties and why they're chosen for certain jobs. And obviously the main reason that most students want to pick the subject is the chance to make stuff and have lots of fun. So if you've got full of ideas, and D&T is a good opportunity for you to get those ideas down onto paper and maybe help realise them in a 3D form. So what will you learn? So this GCSE will equip you for a range of transferable practical and theoretical skills. So you'll generate creative solutions to benefit people and the planet. So it's about coming up with real life solutions for real life problems that maybe will help different groups of people, as well as maybe being more environmentally friendly and help save the planet. You'll learn how to communicate and develop ideas through sketching, modelling and computer-aided design. So there's different ways of doing your ideas. It's not all about drawing, so don't worry about not being a good drawer. It will teach you different formats to create ideas and get them down onto paper or not, into card. You'll learn how products are manufactured in industry. You'll be able to manipulate materials and use tools to create your ideas and work with leading-edge technology and manufacturing techniques such as 3D printing and other computer-aided design and manufacturing skills. We're a really well-resourced department and have a wide range of machinery and processes available to you that can cover a whole host of different material areas. So how will you be assessed? So the course is assessed through controlled assessment and examined content. So at the end of year 11, you'll sit an exam that will test all your knowledge that you've learned over the 3 years, as well as completing a piece of coursework, which is a controlled assessment. So this work is completed in school, and you'll design and make a product that solves a particular need. That is split into 50-50. So your exam is 50% and your NEA will be 50%. To help with that, in year 9 and 10, we practice doing this quite a lot. So we do lots of mini projects that will help you build up skills to help complete the controlled assessment as well as the written paper. So we're just going to go through some examples of some year 9 works, of things that you might be doing. So we start off by learning the basics, building on key stage 3 skills, and we look at the quality of outcomes. And we work in a wide range of different material areas in year 9. So we're working woods, metals, plastics, paper and card, as well as textiles. So we'll do lots of different projects. There's about 7 or 8 projects in year 9 to teach you all the skills that you need. And you might then determine which material areas you like to work in, which will help you when you come to year 11. So we start off by doing like a little wooden box, which is all about skills and joining materials and finishing techniques. We do a bit of metal work. Then do some electronics by creating concrete lights. As well as making though, you have to do some designing. We learn some CAD skills. As I've talked about, you learn how to communicate ideas and represent different ideas. You have to do research as well. So it isn't just making all the time. So you've got to remember that there'll be lots of coursework and written work to go with it, as well as drawing and modelling. So there's quite a wide range of different skills and techniques that you'll be doing. I'll just show you some year 11 work then. So these are some final outcomes and pieces of coursework that year 11s have completed. So there's a few different examples of some design ideas, and it's got their research that they've undertaken, how they communicate their ideas. So they've got different models going on, lots of sketching. And then these are some year 11 examples of some final products. So all really different. So then no one makes the same thing. So as I said, it's all about problem solving and coming up with ideas that help people. So it's trying to come up with ideas that help people. It's not just coming up with a product because you want to make something. It's got to be about problem solving, which is design and technology is all about. So if you choose to take this as an option and then you want to look at careers in the future and where it might take you, there is a whole host of different areas that you could go into. So you can obviously stay at the college to start off with and maybe do A-level product design. You could do a BTEC in engineering at various different colleges. You can go into apprenticeships in lots of a range of different areas, such as construction, any sort of trade skills, as well as going off to university to study a wide range of courses such as architecture, gaming, fashion, product design, furniture design, and build on the skills that you've learned at GCSE. Careers in all of these areas are going to be around for years. They're not the sort of career that will disappear. They're really well needed, especially engineers, okay? And that engineering covers a whole host of different areas. So this course can take you, it's not just about making and getting to play in the workshop, it can actually take you on to do some fantastic careers in the future. So if you have any further questions or you want to ask, find out more information about the course, you can come and speak to me, Miss Callahan, or any of the other D&T teachers that will be able to help you out. Okay.